Hi guys, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to be reviewing 12-minute affiliate, which is doing very well on ClickBank at the moment. So we're going to take a look inside and see what it's offering. So there's two levels of membership, and you can start with one niche, or you can go ahead with three niches. You get in for $9.95 for 14 days initially for the one niche option, and then after that you'd be paying $47 every month. If you choose the three niches, you'd get in for $9.95 for 14 days, and after that you'd be paying $97 every month. Okay, so just have a quick look at what you get for each. You get a 12-minute plug and play affiliate system, of course, one niche, 10 fully ready to go affiliate funnels. So this would be things like your landing page, your landing pages, your bridge pages, and professional copywriting, professional emails, all done for you. So those will be your follow-ups that will be sent from your autoresponder after you get opt-ins. You get also 80 professional done for you. Well, that's that really. 80 professional done for you follow-up messages. Okay, so that's what's sent for months after you get your sign-ups. So they continue to market to your sign-ups after they've opted in. You've got your funnel wizard, which allows you to tweak your pages as you want to. You've got access to the private members Facebook group, and you've got the instant access to traffic. You order your traffic. So I suspect this is kind of mainly from what I've seen inside. It looks like it's probably mainly solar based. I don't know that for a fact, but that's what I suspect from the way it's functioning. But that's traffic you just order, and that's delivered pretty quickly. Right, so the three niches level, you'd get all of that. In addition, you get three niches. You have 30 affiliate funnels as opposed to 10. Proving landing pages, bridge pages, and the follow-up messages to market to your sign-ups. Professional done for you follow-up messages, which will continue to be sent out for months after they've signed up. Your funnel wizard, which allows you to tweak everything inside. And so yeah, so it looks just more like you get more follow-up messages, and your bonuses are the same. And let's check out the bonuses. So that's two times your follow-up messages, right? Personal development, success library, 16 free traffic tactics e-course, done for you hot product promos. Well, we're going to take a look inside and have a look a bit more closely. Right, so this is the landing page.
Yes, another new sale. This is great, and it did it all for me. Thank you all. Tim says, woohoo, happy dance.
Okay, that's the testimonials. So you just opt in here, get inside, and inside the membership, this is the inside the membership area. So this is the getting started section. Just go through that quickly, give you a quick look of what's inside. So that's your quick start checklist. You need to create your accounts, get your autoresponder set up. That's your Aweber. If you don't have an Aweber account, you would set that up in here. You set up the autoresponder for the messages to follow up automatically. That's this step. You activate your funnels. You have an optional done for you. If you didn't want to do these steps yourself, or you're a technophobe, you could actually get these steps done for you by this company. And you got your done for you traffic. Okay, that's all there. They're quite straightforward steps. I think it's a good idea to have a go and get to know how to do some of this techie stuff, because I was a real technophobe when I started out. Still not that techy, but getting there. Right, let's check out the step-by-step section. Simple steps for succeeding with 12-minute affiliates. Let's have a quick look through that. Just runs you through what you need to do. Set up, what we just looked at. Order your traffic. Tells you just basically what to do. Everything's quite well explained. You can get one-on-one coaching as well. Okay, next one, get coaching. Take a good look at that one. Okay, so it says what's the #1 guaranteed fastest way to accelerate your success so that you can make more money? One-on-one coaching. Okay, so if you want to learn skills like how to use your autoresponder, how to find even more profitable product to promote, how to 3 times, 5 times your results in 15 minutes a day, right? So somebody's holding your hand, that's the one-on-one coaching. And that costs $297 one time, okay? And there's another higher level of coaching for those that want to be real super successful, and you've got the money. This one, you need to give them a call. You get all this, and it doesn't actually state the price. You'd have to fill in. They call it the Affiliate Mastery Platinum Program, so you'd have to apply for that. Okay, I'm not going to try and guess how much that's going to cost. It's going to be quite a bit. Okay, so just go through these quickly, see what you get inside. So you can upgrade. Yeah, you can upgrade from, it gives you the ability to upgrade from the 1 niche to the 3 niche accounts. Platinum members. Okay, that's the expensive level. Okay, let's have a quick look at that. Access to unlimited one-on-one coaching for 60 days, full lifetime access to 12-minute affiliate in all niches, 300 to 500 website visitors, 2 free vacations. You'd have to look into that. I haven't looked into that properly yet. 2 free vacations. 10 stick with you, promise we work with you until you get your first 10 sales. 1 free hour with Devon, the developer, social media marketing master course, over 7,000 additional email swipes. That's handy, and much more. Yeah, I guess that would be pretty expensive. It doesn't state how much it is, but there's quite a lot on offer there. Okay, let's check out. I've chosen the 1 niche basic level for my membership. So I've chosen home business. Let's just go into that. I haven't set my funnels up. Let's just see the done for you traffic. Okay, so 12-minute affiliates has partnered up with some of the top traffic providers on the entire internet. Our traffic providers only deal with what's known as top tier traffic, and this traffic is guaranteed to be real. So one of the biggest mistakes people make is to buy cheap or fake traffic. If you do this, you will get 0 results. That's why we offer to take care of getting the traffic for you. The entire process takes just 2 minutes. Okay, so you just click your get traffic button and then it'll take you through the steps. And when I looked inside, it's not actually cheap. I think 9,200 clicks is something like, let's just see if I can get that up. Let's just see if I can get that up quickly. Choose how much traffic you, just to give you an idea of what you would be budgeting. Okay, it's not coming up. Okay, okay, there it is. So 90 to 100 visitors, that's $192. That's not cheap because you are going to need to order quite a bit of traffic to, I mean, obviously there's no guarantee that you're going to get a sale with any level of number, any number of visitors you order. But I would think you'd need at least something like this to start with. You get opt-ins from here, which those leads you can always remarket to. They will get on your list. You can always remarket to them down the line. But, you know, this is pretty expensive traffic So you need to budget in, you know, you need to budget that in into, you know, this whole business. Let's check out the other traffic methods. What I really like about this, what I really like about this 12-minute affiliate is the way it gives you, I'm just trying to see if I can get this up for you, the way it gives you some pretty good education on other methods of getting free traffic, because the paid traffic you get from here is not cheap at all. So I've downloaded this. Let me just see if I can quickly find, if I can find the, one second. So if I can find the section where it teaches you about the free traffic, that was pretty good. I'm quite impressed with that. Okay, it's decided not to come up. Right, I think I've got it. There we go. So here's the downloaded section on 16 no-cost traffic methods. Okay, so it gives you an overview of all the different, not all, but a good number of methods you can use to get free traffic. Okay, so it goes through video marketing. Next one gives you information on Web 2.0 hubs, tells you about blogs and websites. What's the next one? Facebook, Twitter. So I went through this. So it gives you like a sort of overview, and then a few pages later you can go into each method in depth, and I was pretty impressed with that, I have to say. So it's not just, oh, you know, you buy traffic from us, there you go. They're actually, you know, Devon actually compiled a very, I'm really impressed with the information he's given on getting free traffic, and actually walking you through how to do them, you know, not just telling you about them, but he actually walks you through how to set up all these different sources of traffic. So I was really impressed with that, I have to say. Very impressed with that. Right, so let's get back to inside our membership area. So it also educates you on how to set up your own domain. So if you wanted to, like, you're really sort of branding yourself and you wanted to stand out from everybody else, which is, you know, that's great for your business, you would actually be able to set up your own domains here. And you can, one domain you're allowed to set up for the basic one niche level, and then you're able to do 3 domains. You can set up 3 domains with the higher level membership. So he even walks you through, let's have a look, understanding domains, actually takes the time to educate you what, you know, it's all about, the domain thing. Why would I want my own domain? How do I choose the right domain? How many domains can I have? Getting started. So I looked through that, and I have to say I was really impressed with that, you know, because when you're starting out, a lot of these techie stuff is very confusing. They're just terms, you know, and when you get it explained to you, it really makes a difference, you know. So just getting your foundations right. So that was the domain section. He has an education center in there. Let's just get that up. So how to train in. There's videos on how to do, you know, different things in there. Let's just have a quick look in there. It educates you how to send a broadcast message, aka email your list with Aweber, how to get discounted traffic to your opt-in pages. Very good. You got email swipes, which let's see if we can get into that. So niche specific email swipe. So you wouldn't have to write your emails yourself. He's giving you pre-written emails. He says here, click here to access email swipes for the home business niche. Click here to access email swipes for the fitness. So that's, that's a big headache out the way, because writing your own emails is really not an easy task. So, having that there for you, I think that's really good. And you can always tweak it. You don't have to just send it as is. You can just tweak it, add your own personality, but at least the bulk of the work has been done. So I'm pretty impressed with that bit. Integrations. Let's have a quick look in here. Right. Here you find documentation on how to integrate your 12-minute affiliate with other services. So you can use tracking codes with this, which is excellent. So this will allow you to track, your traffic, your different traffic sources, and see which is producing the best results for you. That's a very important part, of the business. I'll do later videos on that, how to do that. I use ClickMagick for that, and I'll be doing some videos on tracking your links. How to set up additional autoresponders. So if you don't use Aweber, he shows you how to set these different ones up. So you have an option. You're not stuck with, oh, you've got to use the one that he's using. He educates you on, different autoresponders. Here's some education on how to change headlines and other text on pages inside the funnel, how to use your own domain. Very good. Inside also you have personal development library. This is quite handy because it can be quite stressful sometimes, So this one is finding the perfect harmony between life and home. I think that's an excellent addition. This one is public speaking made easy. How to stop worrying about what other people think about you, making the right decisions at the right time. I think this is very helpful. Okay, top affiliate products that he's recommending. So these are other products you can go ahead and promote to people that join your email list. You can promote to them down the line. So he's giving some sort of recommendations, the ones he thinks are good. And then you can contact them if you have any questions. So, looking through the whole 12-minute affiliate, I'm quite impressed, because really not just is he teaching you how to promote his system, he's actually teaching you how to set up a business and build something long term down the line. You're not just promoting his system. What you learn from this system you can build on, and that's what I'm really impressed by. I love the teachings on the free traffic. I love the education center, and pretty overall I'm pretty impressed. It's a real good solid foundation in affiliate marketing, not just promote this product and that's it. So I'm very pleased. I'm quite impressed with this. Normally I try to be very very neutral, but I'm really impressed, and I think for the amount you're paying, I think you're getting your money's worth. And personally, I'm using this, and I'm going to do an update and let you know the results that I get. But so far, I'm happy. I'm pretty impressed with this, and I'll be happy to recommend this. So you can check out the links. Hope you found this useful. Check out the links in my description. And if you found value in this video, please do give it a like, thumbs up. Thanks very much. Speak to you soon. Bye.